Hey guys, happy Friday. I wanted to show you another way we're going to do Friday favorites. When you guys took your survey, I found that a lot of you actually didn't really like Flipgrid, which was surprising, but it's okay. I'm going to show you a different way that we can communicate. So let me flip my screen around really quick. When you're on Friday's morning meeting, you're going to see my video here, but then you are going to see Padlet. When you click, well, you will see a Padlet that looks like this. I'll make it to where when you click on that, you can do it. I don't think you have to make a username or anything, but if it makes you do that, that's fine. Anyways, when you get to your Friday favorites, you are going to click right here at this pink plus sign. Your name will appear here. You can make the title Friday favorites, and then you can write something. My Friday favorite is my teddy bear that I got when I was born. Now you can also like create an image, okay, and it'll allow you to take a picture of it. You can search an image, you can upload it. So once you're done, you just click off of it. You can click edit trash. You can even I can make it pink if I wanted to. And then you can move this wherever you, it'll move it wherever you want. Now, if I am another student and I want to comment and say, oh, I have a bear too, I can do that and hit enter and it'll leave a comment. You can also click the heart to like each other's comments. So this is what Padlet is. Have fun with it. If you can't figure it out, don't worry about it. If you can figure it all out and get going on it, I would love to see all of your answers. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I can't wait to see all your Padlet answers. Remember, if you need help, Miss Bearden is live on Zoom today at 10 o'clock. See you soon. Bye.